What if it was your daughter? Face on the screen. And what if it was your daughter? Oh, yeah. Listen, I ain't here for noise, I ain't here for games. I'm asking one question, and I want a real answer. What if it was your blood, your child, your daughter, standing in the middle of shame and pain? Would you still stay silent? You sit there talking, laughing like it's all okay, while a young girl's life gets torn away. Private picture, secret soul like dirt in the street. A broken soul crying while you stay in your seat. Rosa, Jackie, tell me what you see. A headline story or a human being? Would it hit different if her name was yours? If it was your baby behind them closed doors? You can hide behind silence, can't wash your hands clean. We're only standing right in between. What if it was your daughter? Face on a screen, torn apart by slaughter. Her tears falling like rain in the dark, while a man plays God with a cold black heart. Would you stand up? Would you fight back? Or turn your head and stay on that track? Tell me now, don't lie, don't bother. What if it was your daughter? Macchiato playing games with lives, breaking souls, cutting deep like knives. Blackmail chains wrapped tight around fear, and the world stays quiet, don't wanna hear. You got daughters, nieces, blood in your veins, but you act like you don't feel that pain. You cheer, you laugh, you look away, but karma, don't forget, she finds her way. Every silence speaks, every moment counts. Truth don't hide, it always comes out. What if it was your daughter? Her dignity stripped, her soul getting slaughtered. Her voice buried under shame and lies, while evil walks free in plain disguise. Would you rise up? Would you take a stand? Or shake that devil's hand? Answer me now, no cover, no armor. What if it was your daughter? You don't feel it till it hits your home, till that pain cuts straight to the bone. It ain't just gossip, it ain't no game. It's a lifetime scar, a lifetime shame. So I'm calling you out, yeah, I'm saying it clear. If you stand with wrong, you're part of the fear, you're part of the fear. What if it was your daughter, crying for help but nobody taught her how to fight when the world turns cold and the truth gets buried, never told? Would you protect her? Would you defend? Or let that darkness win again? Look in the mirror, go farther. What if it was your daughter? What if it was your daughter? What if it was your daughter? Oh, yeah. Think about it. Don't wait till it's too late, because one day it just might be.
What go on, me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you not feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor come at your home if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We go call your auntie, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your sister-in-law, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, your auntie-in-law, your granny-in-law. We go call everybody so that somebody will come and help you, carry you to the doctor. Guys, wellness check. Please, me I beg you. Do some wellness check for your friends and your family. Make sure everybody is alright. Make sure everybody is in good health, because you don't know, mental health crisis is not a joke. It's not something to play with. Right, guys? Guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday. And you don't know today is Friday. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. So guys, you know go out later on. If you know go out later on, bring somebody who don't drink. Bring a driver with you. So that means when you no drink and get drunk, somebody can drive. And if you don't have nobody to drive and you drink and you get drunk, call somebody, call a friend, call your friend, call somebody to bring you home, or call a taxi. Hold on a little bit about the taxi business. Do not call no taxi, because you see what go on with these taxis. Them a take with people. Call a friend. Please, me I beg you, call a friend. So that means we will live to see another day. Right? If you don't cook any food, remember the people who don't have enough food, the people who don't have nothing to eat. Right? Remember them. Help them out. Give them a little of your food, because sometimes we dash the food in a garbage. So give somebody the food, the what left, the not left. Just share. Yeah? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, today your birthday. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. Yeah, man, just go out, have a nice time, enjoy yourself, party. You know, it's a weekend, so if I your birthday a weekend, just have a nice time. Anyway, guys, I have been watching YouTube for a very long time. I have been on YouTube as a YouTuber from 2009, but me never really do much to my channel. You know, you hear me say that all the time. We can't look on and see the day. I think YouTube said 2010, but at 2009, me did come on. And guys, let me say this. This is the worst I ever see YouTube. This is the worst things I ever see on YouTube. To be honest. And the worst thing I ever see on YouTube is coming out of, well, not really coming out of, is coming off us Jamaicans beating and fighting against our own Jamaican who is trying to make life, who is trying to do something, who is trying to be the next or the better Mr. Bean. Yeah. Let's talk. We're not going to talk about this, you know. We just point out something to you. Look on YouTube and see if you see any one individual sit down, pan another individual, like how people sit down and beat Alicia Kim and Collar Smith. You don't see that nowhere. The only place you see that is in Africa, where people sit down and beat you Mongo and our brother. That's the only two places you see these things. One in Africa, and over this side where people just beat Alicia Kim and Collar Smith. You don't see it nowhere else. Me I tell you, me check. You do not see it nowhere else. Why is it that bad that we as Jamaicans have to be doing all this to our own Jamaicans? Check this out. Mr. Bean, America. Yeah? Multi millionaire out of YouTube. You look at Collar Smith. Collar Smith had do good for himself. And you don't feel comfortable for know that, yes, we have a Jamaican out of Jamaica and do good for himself with YouTube in the Mr. Bean category mark, you know. Colors is way far from Mr. Bean. Colors is way far from Mr. Bean. However, me just use the thing. Yeah? But guys, what we really want to talk about, yeah? Really want to talk about is you all have family out there, yeah? All of we have family out there. Every one of you out there who is watching this video have a family. Town have a family. And I'm going to ask Town this morning this question. Would you like for somebody who is in a relationship with any one of your family member that have any kind of private picture of them come out on social media and say, yes, I have picture. I'm willing to show the picture. And also distributing the pictures to other married men. Would you like that to happen to your family? Any of you Town can say anything? Comment. Town people, comment down below. Because you know always a comment over here. You know. All of you Town people, come over here and comment. Comment down below if any of you would have like your family member private picture to come out to be sent and distribute to other married men to look at and laugh and do whatever you want to do with it. And also let me say this. No man can send me any picture of any woman private part. No man. Me and no man are that close for him send me private picture of a woman that he used to deal with. You know, any man will collect pictures from another man of a woman private part. You know what kind of man is that? We out in the sea him live. We out in the sea him live. A fish that. Any man who sit down with another man and gossip looking at a picture of a woman private part, that's not a straight man. That's a lean man. When you get a picture from a lady of her private business, that picture is for you, yourself, and you. But you have this little disgruntled, stupid idiot, Rumram, so stupid that you get picture and you write about the picture that you get. You're so glad and happy. We use a married man. You're so glad and happy about the picture them you get. Because the same thing you was DMing Alicia Kim for, that you could not get a moment to talk to her, to even get to see somebody give you the picture and you take that picture and having a wonderful time is and low down dirty hyena. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of your little drunk yourself. And then you come out talking. None of you come out and said, no, can't do that, stop do that. All I want to have Mackie phone number. I want to can call him, but I want to call him and I tell him what to do. Let me say this though, Vibes with Rosa. You see you Vibes with Rosa as a mother, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself as a mother when instead of you as a mother come out and make a video stating that Mackie you're wrong. You come out and make a video rejoicing about Mackie saying he have nude picture of Alicia Kim. You didn't come out and say that, no, this is wrong, that is wrong. Mackie, no, I'm not with you on this one. Remember, you got kids. How would you feel if your kid, man, whenever time you're, because I don't believe your kids is I don't believe your kids. No, your kid is not at that point where they can have relationship. But I'm just saying, what if you have a kid and your kid, man would come out and say that? How would you feel? How would you feel? Well, as I figure you would feel very bad. But no, this is all about money, so you don't really care. Now let's move on to that little controlling, manipulated Jackie. Me never know what to call you. You have two big data. You have two big data. Yeah, you have two big data. How would you feel if your big daughters, man or husband, should come on the internet saying, I have pictures of my wife or my woman or my ex private part? How would you feel if he start to distribute these pictures to man who thirsty? How would you feel if he start to deliver private picture of your daughter's private part to these thirsty man who can laugh and be excited and be happy about receiving the pictures? How would you, Jackie, feel? Would you feel nice? Would you feel comfortable? Listen to me good. I have my daughters. I have my daughters. I have daughters. I have mother. I do not have a sister. And I take it my point of duty to try not to disrespect women. I take it to my point of duty, try not to disrespect any ladies at all. That's why I don't say words towards you guys, no matter how you guys do. I do not say certain words to you because at the end of the day, I'm going to stick to who I am. I have never been a person who disrespect women. Never, never, never. And I will not say I won't talk a couple things, but I will never try to disrespect women in a certain way of how I see other people do it. That's not me. That's not that's not my kickler fish. My question to you, Jackie, still is, what would you do? I don't see you come out and make a video and say, Mackie, you're wrong. Let me say this to you. I do not want any friend who cannot tell me that I am wrong. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. And I go say this. You see, Juliet, listen to this. You remember when I dig up Mackie graping down at Jamaica? And Juliet come out. Me, Juliet, Scope with Michelle, talk up the thing. And we are do the thing, you know? 4 away. Yeah, 4 away, I do the thing. We only need 4. And you have Lily out there. You have Lily out there. You have you have Lily out there. When me make the video, Juliet come out and make a video. And Juliet say she believe me go too far. Me gone too far and dig up all of that. I never said nothing to Juliet. I never go cuss off Juliet. No, because that's Juliet's opinion. And guess what? Juliet say it in our video because at the time Juliet feels say me shouldn't go dig up all of that. And you never hear me make a video go cuss off Juliet. No. And I go say this to you. I have subscribers who contact me and say to me, say, Rodney, do not say nothing to Juliet about what she said. And I said, no. I understand where she come from. I did that. Juliet did that. And it's not like Carly said me and Juliet up on the same side and Juliet can say Rodney go too far by digging up that. But even though me know say me never go too far because I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I know what I'm doing, but Juliet make the video. That's simple to show you that we over here, if you're wrong, we go tell you say you're wrong. If we feel that you're wrong, we go tell you say boy, you're wrong on that. When talk up the things, when we do certain video, talk up the things say, Rodney is just a different kind of person. Him a do him thing, him know him a do because he can stand up on his foot. Who no do that? Uno do not do that. None of you come out and said, Maki, that was low, that was wrong. You shouldn't do that. Jamaica Sensation, make a video. I won't say what the video was about. Jamaica Sensation make a video towards, what name? Towards a brother, one brother there. I'm not even calling him. Jamaica Sensation make a video towards one guy. And I take up my phone. And I call Jamaica Sensation and I said, Jamaica Sensation, you see the video where you just put up? Take it down. Take it down right now. Me call him. Jamaica Sensation live way over. So me not tell you where he live. I don't want to know too much. Me call him and me tell him, say, take down that video. Take it down. Jamaica Sensation go on his channel and take down that video immediately. Because of the respect what we have for one another. You guys don't have that. Because you don't have no guts. You don't have no backbone. You don't have no belly. Vibes with Rosa. Jackie, as a mother, as a woman, instead of you come out and say, Maki boy, you're wrong. Me with you, but you're wrong. No, no, do that. The one who get the picture, them were happy and excited and go out and write all kind of something and the people comment about him. Him glad him get the video them, the picture them and say, him no have no kid. If him piss no burn grass. Because him no have no time for him piss burn grass because it a burn other places. By the way, you believe say any man I go come from my life half naked and me a lick my lip? Me? No. It will never happen. It will never happen. Ram panning live with Maki. Maki in a no shirt, a flex chest. And Ram over there lick lip. Ram over there lick lip. Because the same man who him a lick lip offer is the same man who give him picture of a young lady that he want private part. And I'm excited about that. You don't think a full time this stop? Why? What? Why? Where else on YouTube you see something like this happen? Nowhere else. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I leave this one for last. Yeah, man, I leave this one for last. Vibes Studio. Yeah, man, me left you for last. You see, my daughters, my kids, me no hide my kids. Me no afraid to hide my kids. I, personally, will never tell any lie, use anybody kid a certain way. However, me go talk to you now. You have a daughter, don't? Me hear you say your daughter boyfriend, yeah? Your daughter was 16 or 17, yeah? And you always talk about your daughter boyfriend, 16 years old. When your daughter should not try to learn school and do all kind of goodies in a school and better herself. I never hear you say nothing about your daughter schooling. All I hear you talk about is your daughter boyfriend. Now, let me ask you something. How would you feel if your daughter boyfriend come on the internet with threatening your daughter about pictures that he have of your daughter? How would you feel? Apparently, listen me good now. Apparently, anybody trouble your daughter, you go chop them up, you go shoot them, you go threaten them over the internet, you go do all kind of things to them. Now my question to you, what would you do to that man who, if a person show your daughter up like that? What if a man, your daughter boyfriend, they broke up and she, as a matter of fact, he should be distributing pictures of her like how Mackie is distributing picture of Alicia Kim? How would you as a father feel if that should happen to your loving daughter that you have, that you love so much? How would you feel? Me I wait for you, man. You never know, say me I come with this. You never know. You shouldn't think. You shouldn't think, say me coming at you with this question. If you never did that think, start think now. Start to think now. How would you feel if something like this should happen to your daughter? Me no see you make no video tell Mackie say him wrong. Me no see you make no public video. Yeah? Me no see you make none. Me no watch you still. Yeah, me no watch you. It's my subscribers who tell me a little about what you are do over there. Because who over there, you over there do something because all you worry about is people money. All you worry about is people money. You see what the people again narrow some money and you over there sweat. You over there count too much money. You at one point you're there, oh yeah, 2,000. You account people money. You have a money problem. You have a money fetish. You over there cry and say, what we no do now? We no just want to make some money and I try to make some money when we all know say you not make no money on YouTube. We all know that. We all know say I lie you a tell about making money on YouTube. To be honest with you, we all there on YouTube, we not make no much money. Because of what? The era that we in. The gossip, it not really sell that much. But me want to know about you. Me want you to answer the question. What would you do if your daughter, you Vibes Studio daughter, you say you love your daughter so much that you would analyze people for her? I saw you say. But the thing is, to me, is how can a man who have a daughter, who love his daughter, beat down another man's daughter, like how you and your drunk town people beat down Alicia Kim as another man's daughter? Me have my kids them, you know. My kids them not ready for man yet. My kids them young, them little bit. The other day, me say Rum put out one of my kids pan him thing. all me do is laugh. Because I never, ever hide my kids. I will never hide any of my family members. Because there's nothing to hide. And there's nothing to talk about. Any of them bad. Me proud of my kids. Me proud of my family. And me proud of myself. I am very proud to be here talking to you, asking you this question. What would you do if somebody should come out with uncompromised pictures of your daughter and sending it to other friends, sending it to other people? What would you do? What would you, Jackie, do? What would you, Vibes with Rosa, do? And also, them people, Vibes, them people where you always have by your thing, the essay, the, what you call them, I not remember their name, because I didn't watch you sitting, so I didn't remember their name, because they're not in my cranium. You know the song I said, they're not on my level. Yeah, man, my level, they're way up there, so. And them, they're way down under, you see, you can't even see them, then they're way down the bottom, under the earth, them there. How would they feel if their kid, man, husband, ex, should post or should send their private pictures to other people? How would you all feel? Now, listen me now, guys. I mean, I come at you know, in a no bad way, you know. Don't get me twisted, you know. Don't get me wrong, cause you can't manage me. I want to see that. I want to know that. You can't manage me. Me just no want to talk to you, and me no want to talk about you, but this time, me have to talk about you. This time, me have to talk about you, cause to me go be honest. The people that me support you, no have no backbone, no have no belly, weak. My question to all three of you, plus followers and supporters, how would you feel if somebody come out and said, I have private pictures of your daughters? And how would you feel if that individual send that private pictures to other people? How would you feel? That's just my question. That is my question. I don't know. I want to know if you answer it. And listen me good now. Me open still I watch the video. Don't get upset. Don't get upset about the question. Just answer the question. Just answer the question. Let me say this. If you know man enough and woman enough, answer the question decently. For once, act decent and answer the question. Vibes, you don't have nothing good to say out of your mouth because your mouth need wash out. But at least this time, answer this question. Answer the question respectfully. In corporation of woman. Remember, in a March, still a go on, March a woman month, you know. Hold on a little bit. March is women month. And this is what Mac is doing in March, a month that is dedicated to women. Viewers and subscribers, I'm out. Chat about. And you know. And run me around my mouth. I talk.